Good day, it's PhoenixTypewriter.com. Got a Royal O model manual typewriter. Has a little problem. Not too common, but it's adjustable, repairable, fixable. I'll show you how. Okay, so this typewriter is, especially in uppercase, this is a carriage shift model, but it doesn't really matter. Okay, let's type a couple letters off here, capitals. Oops, let's get this in camera here. And maybe a little closer focus. A little closer. There we go. So those are good right there. But letter E is cutting off the top. So you can see that right there. I think the lowercase is alright. Yeah, it's generally the uppercase. There is a fine-tune adjustment for that. Let me show you how to do it. Okay, put it on its back and take a look down here, and you will see every key lever, every type bar has one of these. This is, you know, you push these, there's a number right there, number 3 I think, number 4. Where's that E at? Let's find it. Let me move that thing down and put my finger on the E here. There we go, right there. So the E is this one right here. And if you look closely, maybe, you can see that this is up a little higher than that one. Up a little higher than that one. These guys I noticed are the numbers, they're up a little higher generally. But right there, what that does is push this bar beneath there, right there. That is your ribbon lift. So if this is out of adjustment, not pushing that far enough, it will cut the tops off, especially the capitals. So this is a formable metal piece. You can bend it, that's the word. So we use these benders for this. This has a slot in it like that. There's different sizes. That one's that. I've got another one here that's got larger, smaller, larger. So what the trick is here, you can see how the thickness of this bar is. You got to find the right slot that's about the closest size, and I think it was this one. You stick this in here beside the bar, turn it so now it's in that slot, and to bend it, form it down, you would use the tool this way, maybe hold the lever, whatever you got to do to support it, and then give it a little twist like this, right? Just a little bit. There we go. I think it moved. I think it moved. That's what she said. Yeah. Okay. Let's see if it did work. I'm not really sure I got a good bend out of that, but let's take a look and see. It will be quite obvious. Capital E did not. See that one letter, especially the first one, cut off right there. So it's still got to go a little further. I just didn't want to go too far the first time, and these only have a certain amount. They will bend, they might break, but they're made to be bent. Okay, so I'm going to hold this again and try to get this to actually move. Get a grip on this. Okay, I think I got it to move a little. Although it still looks like it's up higher than the other ones. Let me try some more. Try to get some real movement out of this. Okay, I think I got some. And it actually causes to bend over a little bit. That's not too uncommon when you're tweaking out metal. So let's get a pair of handy dandy duck bills in here and just straighten that. Like that. Definitely looks about even now. Let's see if the results are satisfactory. Okay, so we got capital H's, capital E's, and we want to go from lowercase to uppercase, lowercase to uppercase, uppercase. I think we got it this time. And that is how you adjust individual type bars for ribbon lift on a Royal O model. And I think this does work on Quiet Deluxes and other models that have, you know, the same assembly here with the bar like that. It would be the same process. That's your ribbon lift right there. Alright, that is my video today. Phoenix Typewriter. Good day.